Roy's Academy, a complete e-learning solution for Olympiad, CBSE, ICSE, IIT NEET, competitive exam and spoken English. If you like our videos, please subscribe our channel. For getting more videos, please press the bell icon for instant notifications.
Recording in progress.
Hello dear student, welcome to our second session. So guys, last day I'm just discussing with you the logical reasoning section. Today I will discuss 2090 math set 1 mathematical reasoning question. Okay, so let's start our question from question number 11. So guys, what is asking there? How many ice cream should be crossed to show 8 ice cream uncrossed? Okay, so that means what should we do? We just crossed here. That means we just subtracted here 8 ice cream. Okay, and after that, how many ice cream we just left there? Okay, so guys, at first you have to do that. Then I will tell you the right answer. Okay. Okay, so at first we have to just count here. There are how many ice creams cone? Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Okay, so guys, we have a 14 ice cream. Now we have to just count here 8 ice cream. Okay, so that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means this ice cream we just see there. Now if we want to 8 ice cream uncrossed, so that means another ice cream is just crossed here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's why we have to just doing there are 14 ice cream, and if we just subtract 8 ice cream, so we are getting here 6 ice cream. So if we want to uncross 8 ice cream, so we have to just cross here 8 ice cream. So that's why B will be the correct answer. Okay, my dear student. Okay, so next we will discuss this question of question number 12. So what is asking there? Which of the following abacuses shows the number of birds sitting on the branch of the tree? So you have to just count here, and we have to match with which abacus it is just the right answer is given. So guys, you have to just count there are how many birds, and then it is matched with this abacus. So that's why we are getting the answer. Okay, dear student, so let's count it. Okay, so we can see there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So that means we have a 6 birds. Okay, so 6 bird means this is 6 ones. Okay, so that's why we have to just count here in which place we can see the 6 1. So at first we see there in option 1. So in option 1 there are 2 in 10th place, and there are 4 in ones. Okay, so that means 2 tens and plus 4 ones. So that's why we are getting here 24. And in the option B, we are just counting here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we just see there were 5 ones. Okay, so that means we are just getting here only the 5 one. So it is not the answer what we are just finding here. So that's why option A and option B is not right answer. Now we have to found, that is in question number C. We have to just count there. There are how many abacus? So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So there are 6 balls in this abacus and it is in one place. So that's why you have to tell there this is 6 1, and we have a 6 bird. Okay, so that's why we have to tell there 6. C will be the right answer, as there we can get the 6 1. Okay, dear student, so this is the right answer we have to got there, but you have to check in the case of option D. So in option D there we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And guys, you have to just see there, this is 6 tens. So that's why 6 tens means 6 into tens. So that's why it is 60 ones. Okay, so this is not our answer. So that's why we have the right answer in option C, that is 6 1 in abacus in one's place. So this is the right answer. Okay, dear student, I think you are got my point. Okay. Okay, now we have to move in question number 13. So what is asking there? There is given this picture. There is a in picture is a paintbrush and nail is just here. So we have to just see there. That is what will be the length of that. So what is asking there? There is asking paintbrush is dash dash, this is a eraser. We can see there longer than nail. So at first, if we want to know how paintbrush is longer, so we want to measure here what how many eraser is here to measure the length of the paintbrush. So we can see there are up to this point. To this point, it is we measured here the length of the paintbrush. So that's why we got here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So we got the 7 eraser to measure the paintbrush. Okay. So now we have to just count for the counting of nail, how many brushes there. So there are 1. It is starting from there. So 1, 2, 3 brushes here. So now for the sorry for the paint brush there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 brush 7 eraser. And for the nail there are 1, 2, 3. So that's why we are get there 3 eraser for the nail. So now if we just comparing this to 1, so we just subtract this to value. So we are getting here 4. So 4 will be the result of this length. So we have to tell there that is in the question number 13, 4 will be the right answer. That means paintbrush is 4 eraser longer than nail. Okay, so this is the answer. So that's why we have to just count how many eraser there and compare with the that of how many nails is sorry how many eraser required for the measurement of nail. So that's why if we just subtract the these two result, and we have to easily find there how many brushes it is longer than. Okay, so fourth will be the right answer. So option A is the right answer. Okay, dear student. Okay, so now we have to move in question number 14. Dash group has the least number of candy. So that's why we have to count there how many candies we can see in this box. Okay, so so that's why you have to count there. There are how many boxes? There are 3 boxes, and each boxes has a different number of candies. So at first we have to count there, that is the number of candies. So what we see there, we see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and this is 10. So there are 10 candies. We can see that. After that, we here count there. There are 1, 2, 3. So guys, if we having this kind of series, like it is like a pattern, so we are do not count here entirely. We just count here this row wise. So there are 3, and with this column wise. Okay. So that's why we are just getting here 4 candies in column wise, and we having the candies in row wise. There are 3. So we have to just multiplying these two values. So that's why we are getting 3 into 2, 3 into 4. So that's why we are getting here as a result of 12. So there are 12 candies here. Okay. Now we have to just follow this process in the next boxes. So we can see there in a row, there are 2 candies in a series, and in a vertically, we can see that means in a column, we can see there are 1, 2, 3, 4. So guys, tell me, there are 4 candies. So 4 into 2. So that's why we are getting here 8 candies. Okay. So this is the 8 candies in box R, 12 candies in box Q, and 10 candies in box P. So that's why you have to see there in Q box, there are more candy we have. So the more candy we have, and the box R, there will be least candy we have. So it is number 8. So that's why we have to tell there in a group of R, that is in option C, has the least number of candies. Okay. So that's why C will be the correct answer here. So do you get my point, guys? Okay. So now we have to just going to the 15th number question. So in a 15th number question, what is asking there? How many butterflies are there all together? Okay. So at first we have to count there. There are how many butterflies? So guys, see there. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 butterflies. Okay. So now we have to just see there is this 18 number is just present here in option. So we cannot find it. There is no 18 is present here, but 18 can be represent as 1/10 and 8, 1. Okay. 1. So that's why we have to tell there this is the right answer. So that's why A is the correct answer. So there are 1/10 and 8 ones butterfly in this series. Okay. So we have to count, then we have to convert into this thing, and we can easily find out this is the right answer. That is 1/10 and 8 ones. Okay. Okay. So now in the next question, what is asking there? There is asking 16 in the question. Arrange the given ball from the biggest to smallest. So that's why we have to just arrange there in ascending manner. Okay. So with the size of this ball, we can easily find out which is the biggest to smallest. So that's why at first we have to just write there Q is the biggest one. Okay. Then we have to put here greater than sign, because we just write here in descending order. That means larger to smaller. So that's why Q is the largest. Next is there is R. Okay. So this is the next one. Okay. So we have to find there the next ball is P here. Okay. So we just write here P as it is a next one, and the smallest ball will be here S. So that's why we have to tell there S is the smallest, and Q is the biggest or the largest bolt here. So we have to find this arrangement in which option we can see here. So this thing is only present here in option B. So option B is the right answer here, just because of this is the right arrangement of descending order, that is biggest to smallest. So B will be the right answer here. Okay, dear student, I think you are got my point. Okay. Okay, so let's move in the next section. So here is given the question number 17, that is giving the rupees, and what is asking there, which of the following amount is more than 60? So we have to just count their rupees, and we have to find, if we find that what will be the more than 60, so we have to just write that, pick the right option. Okay, so at first we can see there in option A there is a 50 rupees. Okay. Okay, so now in option B what we can get there, so there will be 20 plus 10 plus 5. So if we are adding this value, so we are getting 35. So we are getting at 35. So this 35 is less than 60, and also this option A is less than 60. So that's why this is the wrong answer, and this is the wrong option. Okay, so now we have to just go into there option C. So in option C, we have just see there 50 plus 10. Okay, so we getting here 60. But guys, here we have to just choose more than 60 rupees. Okay, so that's why this is equal to 60 rupees. So this is not the right answer. We have to just find out more than 60 rupees, that that it is start from 61 to so on. Okay, so that's why D is the right answer, because A, B, C is not here the right answer. D is the right answer, but we have to check there. So what we can get there, there we having 50 rupees plus 20 rupees. So if we adding this to value, we are getting 70. So that means we having the 70, and we know that this 70 is more than 60. It is larger value of 60. So that's why option D is the right answer. So guys, we have to just reduce the or negate the option. So with this negate, we can easily find out option D. So option D is the right answer, because it is more than 60 rupees, that is 70 rupees. I think I'm clear at this point. Okay. Okay, guys, we have to just going there in question number 18. So what is asking there? That shape is not present in the given cloud. So in the option, we can see there is a rectangle. So guys, do you know what is rectangle? Actually, rectangle has a length and breadth, and it is a four-sided figure. Okay, so this is the rectangle. Next one in option B, what we can see there? Circle. So this is the circle. Okay, circle having the one center in the middle. Okay, so next one is triangle. So this is the triangle, the plane which having the three sides. This is called triangle. And last one is a square. So square is the figure that having the four side, and this four side is equal, not the same with the rectangle, because rectangle having the length and breadth. So that's why you have to tell there we have a same side, but it is in opposite side. That means this side and this side same, and this sides and this sides is a are same. But in the case of square, all the four side it is just same here. So now we have to find here which figure, that is rectangle or circle or triangle or square, which figure is not present here. So guys, we can see there this is a rectangular figure, because this is the length and this is the breadth. So that's why you have to tell there this is the rectangle, and this also the same thing, and this is also the same thing. Sorry. So in the next case, we see there this is the triangle, because it has a three sides. So we have the triangle, and we have the circle also. So you can see there are one, two, three, and four. There are four circles. So guys, we just reduce all of this figure, and we have to find which figure is not present there. So there we can see there is a not square is just present there. So that's why D will be the answer here. Square shape is not present here in this cloud. So that's why D will be the correct answer. Okay, dear students. So we just following all of this figure, and we haven't find there are square. So that's why square will be the right answer. Okay, dear student. Okay. So now in the question number 19, what is asking there? Find the missing value. Okay. So guys, we have to just write this value and add this one. So we get the result here. So we just see there are two place value, that is tens and once. Okay, so we have to just write there, and then we have to padded the number. So guys, you just see there we have to put there 5 and 3 in one's place. Okay, and next we have to just put there this one, that is 3 tens and 2 1. So if we adding this thing, so what we can get? So in that place we are getting here, the value of like a 3 plus 2. Okay, so 3 plus 2 means 1 2 3, and we are adding plus 2. So that means we are getting here 5. So we have to just see here, this is the 5, and we just follow the same thing. So 5 plus 3, so 1 2 3 4 5, and we have to just write here another thing. Okay, so we just put here 3 in the after this plus sign. So that's why we have to just write here. So how many stick here? There will be 8 stick. Okay, so we have to just write here 8 sticks. So that means we are getting as a 8 tens and 5 ones. Okay, so this is equivalent to 85. Okay, so in that blank place we have to write there 85. Okay, so this is the answer for that question. Now we have to find in which option we can find it. So in option C we can find it. So C will be the right answer. So I think I'm clear up to this point. Okay, dear student. Okay, now we are completing this section with the completion of the 20th number question. So in the 20th number question is asking there, if yesterday is Sunday, then what will be tomorrow? So it is very easy question. You have to just try it yourself, then I will giving you the answer. Okay, dear student, let's attempt it. So at first we have to just write it yesterday. Okay, yesterday. So yesterday will be Sunday. Now we have to just write there today. So guys, tell me what will be today. So after Sunday there will be Monday. Okay, Sunday is our holiday. Our school is just uh, closed in that time, and Monday our school is starting from that day. Okay, so today is Monday, and then tomorrow is the next day of Monday. So that's why you have to just tell there tomorrow will be Tuesday. Okay. So guys, this is the answer here. That is tomorrow will be Tuesday. If we count here Sunday, then Monday, and then Tuesday. So Tuesday it is in tomorrow. So that's why Tuesday, the option B is the right answer for that question. So we have to tell there this is the Tuesday. Okay, I think I'm clear up to this point. Okay, so guys, if I'm just giving you one more question, if there is asking what will be the day after tomorrow. Okay, so what will be the day after tomorrow? So what will be the answer there? So if you are asking what will be the day after tomorrow, so what will be the answer there? So guys, you have to tell me in the comment section. In the next day I will just discuss with you. Okay, so this is the answer. You have to be remembered there. This is our point. Am I clear, dear student? Okay, so I'm just concluding this session now. Next day, I will brought the everyday mathematics. So from this section, question number 21, I will discuss this question in the next day. Okay, till then, thank you. If you having any questions, so you just comment in the comment section. I will solve your doubt. Okay, dear student. Till then, I'm just stop this session.